Hey guys, Pete from Mainline Overland here. Just wanted to show you this RSI SmartCap EVOc that we have on this 2022 Toyota Tacoma short bed. The EVOc is unique because it has solid doors on the sides and it has a glass door in the rear. We went ahead per the customer request and had this painted to match the truck. Pretty killer combo. They're normally white, hence the contractor kind of vibe and determination there. A nice, awesome unit. You can go ahead and open the doors super easy just by pushing these buttons here on our latches. We've got gas struts. You can see this is what it would look like on the exterior if it were left white. Good, easy access. We've got our forward cab window and we've got our rear tailgate window as well. Coming around the rear, again, we can open this up. These are lockable, obviously, as well. And we have good access. We can go ahead and drop the tailgate. It does kind of clamp in to the bed rail system, and it does have bulb seal to keep it nice and sealed away from moisture. So just wanted to show you this cool option. If you're waiting for a different SmartCap or having trouble finding one in stock, EVOCs sometimes are a little bit easier to find. There is a bit of cost with going ahead and paint matching them, but it is an option that really ties it together with the rest of the vehicle. If you're considering an EVOc or any RSI SmartCap, be sure to reach out to us at mainlineoverland.com. You can live chat us on our website and unlock potential savings. You can also give us a call at 844-656-7626, or you can email us at sales@mainlineoverland.com. We install a ton of these RSI SmartCaps. They're awesome. They're very modular. There's a ton of accessories that you can go ahead and install, kitchens and all kinds of tables and etc., racks as well. So definitely reach out to us and see if this is the right fit for you.